Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show how to create a transparent effect in Photoshop. So don't skip any part. First of all, go to the Adobe Photoshop interface. I have completed it. Now go to the file menu and open your file and choose the photos you need. Hold Ctrl and click to select multiple photos. This is the background. I will crop it a bit. Then I will go to the Apple photo. Click here to remove the background. Or go to properties. If you don't find the option here, you can go to Windows and click here. Then you will find the option here. Click here to remove the background. This is the easiest way to remove the background. Then drag the photo here and customize the photo. Then copy this layer and delete the mask. Then select the lasso tool and follow me. After that, you should click here and choose the multiply option. Then right click and apply the layer mask like me. Copy the first layer and hide second layer. Now I will go to the image menu, then adjustments and finally desaturate. Then click here and choose the screen option. Add a mask and select the brush tool and follow me. Now I will go to the picture of a cut apple and select the elliptical mark tool. Copy it and paste here. Then start customizing. Don't forget to press the Ctrl button while customizing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.